Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Tabitha Yount, the owner of Elegant Homes and Interiors, and this is
Abby.
She just wanted to come on here and say hello. We've had a really fun day today. We went to Megan, my niece's baby shower, and then we went to St. Joe, and we went and had lunch and did some shopping. So, yeah. Oh yes, you got boots. Go ahead and tell them what you got. 3 pairs of boots. Because this girl right here is wearing a size. Some of them are 9.5 to 10. It's like she's got a big foot. So Addie's going to be taller now, and she also found out that she's how tall are you, Addie?
5'2".
5'2". That's taller than me. You know, that's not saying much, but still, she's getting there, aren't you, Addie? Okay. Well, welcome back, everybody. Come on here and tell us hello. Tell us where you're coming from and tell us what you're doing on this fabulous Saturday. It's actually kind of a little cooler out than what we thought, anticipated. It's kind of got a little drizzle to it. It's kind of weird weather. We thought it was supposed to be warmer, and now it's colder. So for me, it just feels like Christmas. So that's what we're going to talk about. Okay, one of the things I wanted to tell you about is we opened the box yesterday, and we got all the different things. You guys seen them and all the things. We have 5 boxes left, just 5 boxes. So if you want one, you have to get yourself up and go get it on the link right up there. And all the things, we showed you guys what those to do. And now today we're going to show you how to decorate with them, which a lot of you guys love this part of it, because once you get the box, you don't just get it and then it just sits in the box. We want you to get it out and start being creative, and we try to inspire you to decide where to put everything. So we have kind of a little thing. We put some different places in our houses, and then I'll show you where we decorated it. But if you want to put it on a tray, that's one thing I always recommend for people, especially during the holidays, is to put it on their table and different things like that. Your entryway, if you have a beautiful tray, you can put it on your island as well. There's pictures below and above. We're going to show you all the different ways to style it and give you guys pictures after this. So make sure you share with like friends, okay? Another thing is, I got to tell you, tomorrow is our drawing for the mystery box. So the people that like, share, and comment, and then they share all of our videos with us and everything, thank you guys so much for always showing up for us. We are going to give it to one special person tomorrow. So that is going to be tomorrow afternoon. Yes, after the Chiefs game at 8:30 in the morning. So we'll do that drawing, and make sure, guys, this is the last 48 hours. The box is going to be available, the Christmas box. So if you want it, we want you to get in there and get it before it's all gone, okay? Okay, so one of the things I'm going to do is show you here on end tables. I never show you guys what to do on end tables. And somebody brought that to my attention in the Elegant community. They said, hey, we never know what to put on our end tables. So I'm going to show you a few different places that we put them on end tables and how you can style your beautiful box for Christmas. Okay, so this is in my living room upstairs, and we put our beautiful little stuff here. We've got 2 little trees here. And in the box, there was 2 trees. And then we came with this beautiful ornament as the bonus. And then, of course, everybody's favorite, what am I trying to say?
The lantern.
The lantern. The lantern.
Snow globe lantern.
The snow globe is what I want to say, is a snow globe. So this is what you do. And I'll be quiet so you can hear it playing music. Isn't that so pretty? It's just darling. Okay, this is being ran on batteries. This is where I sit every single morning to have coffee and do all the things. So I absolutely love it sitting it here. I just think it's so much fun to sit here and have my coffee. I can see the fireplace and, of course, my TV. So this is a great place to put it. And I want to tell you a little bit about this. Lexi and I discovered that there's a couple of things I wanted to say actually about this. Lexi and I discovered if you put it on timer, it doesn't play the music. So if you're watching TV or something like that, this is a great globe, snow globe, but it also plays music, which is fabulous. But sometimes you just want it to be just being pretty, which is what I do when I'm watching TV. You just have to take it off the timer, or you put it on the timer for it to not play the music. If you want it to just be on and the music on, then it'll be on. So that's kind of where we have it now. There's 2 different things. You can put batteries in it, so it's battery operated. So like right now, it's in the middle of the room here, so we don't have a plug-in, but it does come with a plug-in. So like if you put it on your little, I don't know, like in your kitchen on a tray or something like that, and you want to just plug it in, you could totally do that so that you don't have to keep replacing the batteries. But if you're like me, you have battery, and that is so awesome because you can put it anywhere you want to. Okay, so that's one spot to put your things there. Now we're gonna come over to this other spot here in our house, and this is on the other side of the room. And we took the other items that we had in the box and we placed them here. The pretty flocked tree and the snow. Oh, I love these little ornaments, these snow flakes. They're so pretty and they just give such a big statement and a big pop of white, which makes everything look nice and crisp. And then we also put our little Santa over here. He's getting in his chimney, and I loved him nestled up into this little tree, which is super fun to do. And then you can just kind of offset your little snowflakes. And I think that just puts a really pretty glisten and glow in the Christmas decor. So if you're having a trouble having with your end tables and things like that, we will be taking pictures of this. But I absolutely love to set things like this on your end tables. Because, you know, it just gives you a little pop of Christmas. Now, I'm going to tell you, one of my posts that I did this week, I talked about putting Christmas in your bedroom. And a lot of people are like, I don't have room for a full-size tree and things like that. Neither does a lot of people. A lot of homes we go to, they're master bedrooms, and bedrooms are very tiny. So this is also something you could do on your nightstand. This is something you could exactly mimic this under your little lamp, just like this, besides it being on your nightstand versus your end table in your living room. And you can add a little bit of Christmas wherever you wanted to go. And the same with the snow globe. You could do that on your other side. So if you have two nightstands, do this on one nightstand and then that one on the other. And you would have a little bit of Christmas when you go into your room. Okay, guys, make sure you share and like this. Tomorrow we'll be back here and we'll be giving, drawing out the drawing for the mystery box. So make sure you share and like this. Thank you guys so much for coming in here and joining us this time, and enjoy your wonderful boxes, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.